Hi, I'm Daniel Terhorst-North, and I'm going to be talking about how to bake a change. So these are secrets from the digital transformation kitchen. So I've been doing this kind of transformation work for probably over a decade now. And what I wanted to do was bring together some ideas of how I approach it, why I do it in the way I do, and challenging some of the established dogma. So the solutioneering of people imposing things like Scrum, safe, less, Scrum at scale, these big methodologies that say the way to succeed is to do our thing. So we're going to come in, we're going to do safe at you, and then we're going to declare victory, right? Without actually understanding what the problem was in the first place. So I'm going to talk about taking an outcome-first approach, starting with the goal, begin with the end in mind, and unpacking some tools, some techniques that I've been using over the last 10 years or so to help my clients genuinely accelerate.